Hello and welcome to amstertraveler.com. In this video I will show you how I connected my TomTom Rider 400 to the R1200GS power connector, which is actually used by the original BMW Navigator, because there is a connection at the harness where you can take power from and use it for your GPS. I bought the cable from BMW. You can see it here. You can see the BMW part number. And that cable I simply soldered together with my TomTom cable and ended up with a cable like this. This special cable has a special connector which connects to the port where the BMW original GPS is normally connected. It has three wires. Wire number 1 is being ground, wire number 2 is a speed pulse, which we don't need for the TomTom, and wire number 3 is 12 volts plus. I then take the TomTom cable and they're connected together and I'm good to go. It's simply a matter of connecting it to the connection point where the BMW original GPS normally is connected. That plug or port you can find here. You can see it in the picture down there. It's actually right behind the oil cooler. If we look from underneath, it looks like this. Normally it's a little bit more tucked away, but I already put it out. There was a cable tie before. This port is connected by a small cap. You simply take off that cap and then you can hide your wires down there at the framework. Here's the connector again with the cap on, and I simply take off that cap and connect my newly built cable. Here you see the cable connected to the connector and to my TomTom Rider 400, and then it's just a matter of mounting your cable with some cable straps to your bike. And this gives you a very neat installation. The benefit of this installation is that it's now connected to the motorcycle harness instead of the battery. If I turn on power on the ignition, the TomTom gets power and turns on. And if I turn off the ignition, it will keep power on for a certain number of minutes. You can see the TomTom is still running. And after that period, the CAN bus will shut down the power, and the TomTom will say, I've lost power, I will power down a certain number of seconds, which you see here now on the screen. And if you do nothing, it will turn itself off, or if you press cancel, then it will run on to battery power instead. So it's very simple. You see, power is gone now and the TomTom shut down. Here you see the connector connected and this BMW cable, part of the BMW cable. And now it's just a matter of tying it all down. I'm trying to route the cable in a way that I can hide it as good as possible. There's a bit of subframe down there where you can neatly tuck it away so it's not in the way anyway. And then I just use some cable ties to fix it. It's a quite easy installation, and afterwards I just check so everything moves freely as before. Looking good, nothing in the way. And this is how the installation then ended up. You can see it's neatly tucked away, fixed to the subframe there. You can hardly see it there. And that's all there is it. I routed it up to the TomTom. It's all done. You're good to go.